Olive oil is about 70% fat, but that is where the story gets interesting. Most of that fat is oleic acid, a type your body actually knows how to use. It helps calm inflammation and supports the heart, instead of stressing it. Then there are polyphenols. Plants make them to defend themselves, and when we consume them, they do something similar for us. They help protect our cells from oxidative damage. Think of oxidative damage as rust inside the body. Polyphenols act like tiny bodyguards, keeping your DNA and cells from wearing down too fast. Olive oil also naturally contains vitamin E. This is not added, like in refined oils. Vitamin E helps protect cell membranes and supports the immune system. You can think of it as reinforcing the body's shield, helping it respond better to pathogens and external stress. It is no surprise that Mediterranean populations have relied on olive oil for thousands of years. It's the main fat source used every day, across meals and generations, a habit closely linked with lower rates of heart disease and chronic inflammation. Thanks for joining